What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how I achieved these super cute crisscross crochet braids using jungle braids from ZRQ hair on Amazon. So this is what the hair looks like fresh out of the pack. It is definitely giving jungle braid. The definition of this hair is really nice. I will be using Shiny Gel orange container, even edge control, a parting comb, crochet needle, and rubber bands. Be sure to apply oil to your rubber band. The model today is my beautiful niece, Aubrey. So a little disclaimer, you guys will be seeing my 2-year-old run in and out of this video because yeah, he is all over the place, y'all. So just a look over him. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, ayy. Cause I won't track around, no that way. Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, yeah. Waiting by the curb, too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Coming, don't wait up. Trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Gonna lead a drama, cause I'm too grown. Let you deal with that alone. I'ma get back when I do, don't call my phone. And don't leave the lights on for me. Don't worry about me. See you in the morning. Bet you never thought
I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? If you want me the way I want you, put your all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
Okay, y'all, so this is the end of my tutorial. Let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle down in the comments. Would you rock this style? It is quick and very easy. It took me about an hour and a half to do this hairstyle. So yeah, I really like this hairstyle. It looks very, very cute on my niece. All of the products that I used in this video will be listed in the description box below. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. It will be listed in the description box as well. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.